Today we will learn the 5 E sounds together. E sounds. Follow me. Welcome to Cyrus Academy. Easy English pronunciation. The letter E. The letter E has 5 different sounds in English. In the next slides, we will learn each sound with simple words and examples. Let's learn them. Let's speak English clearly. Sound 1 is short E. Sound 2 is long E, as in C. Sound 3 as in name, name. Sound 4 as in ear, ear, here. And sound 5 as in the. That's a soft, quiet, or schwa sound. So the short E sound, this is the short E. It is quick and short, like saying egg, bed, pen, red, 10. Egg, egg, bed, pen, red, 10. Sound 2, the long E. This is the long E sound. It's long and clear, like saying E. Repeat after me, please. Me, he, we, even, these. Me, he, we, even, these. Can you see how long that sound is? Sound 3, the magic E, or we also call it the silent E. This is the magic E. The E at the end is silent, but it makes the vowel before it say its name long sound. For example, make, name, cake, home, ride. Make, name, cake, home, ride. Sound 4, the short E, or schwa E, or really soft E. You can hardly hear it. This is the soft E sound. It is a weak sound, like the U in about. For example, problem, travel, open, garden, chicken. Problem, travel, open, garden, chicken. You can hardly hear the E. Sound number 5, the E-R-E, E-R-E, yes, E-R. This is the E or sound. It sounds like and her. Open your mouth a little and relax your tongue. Her, term, person, serve, were. Her, term, person, serve, were. It has an R at the end. After each E, there is an R. So her, term, person, serve, were. Thank you. I hope you will listen and repeat this once your English can get better and better and better every day. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.